My question is for Ruru and Sophia about the shooting days. I know you were you shooting Lolong then?
Before Lolong taping po. Yeah.
Before Lolong.
3 days after Green Bulls, 3 days after that taping ako for Lolong.
And how many shooting days did you have for this one?
For Green Bulls, we had we shot it for like 18 days. Yeah. And this 18 days na parang feeling ko bitin. Parang kulang pa, pero wala, yun na lang talaga yung time or yung schedule na nabigay sa amin.
Where did you shoot this?
Where?
Yeah.
So actually, the entire film, makakala natin isa lang yung location niya. So we shot it in 6 different locations. One in Calatagan, the lighthouse, tapos yung loob ng kulungan, Subic. Nagpangisinan kami, Bataan, Manila, what else? Santa Cruz, Laguna.
Oh.
Yeah.
How about you, Sophia? Were you doing any shows or something during this time?
Yes, so while we waiting once I was doing Princess and City Jail also. And then I had 2 days. Pero dulo ng Calatagan na Batangas and dulo ng Pangasinan.
See, thank you.